how to remove or how to delete expired subscriptions on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Mesnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove or delete your expired or inactive subscriptions on your iPhone. Now, first things first, can you remove or delete your expired or inactive subscriptions? Well, unfortunately, there is no way to delete expired subscriptions on your iPhone. However, while there is no way to remove expired subscriptions, they will automatically disappear a year after they will cancelled. So, after the subscription is expired or it is inactive or you have cancelled it, it'll automatically disappear after a year, but there is no any way for you to manually delete them. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.